Hi, I'm Jamie Morrissey, and I'm the purchasing manager at National Business Furniture, and we are an office furniture distributor. So we had a demand planning program before StockIQ, and it wasn't very user-friendly, it was really hard to use, and it wasn't giving us the best data. So we turned to StockIQ for the ease of it, very user-friendly, the data we can trust, and it's got a lot of really good graphs and Excel information that we can export. That we've had is inventory reductions. So our inventory has gone down exponentially, especially this year with StockIQ. Our fill rates are up, our service levels are up, and our demand forecasts are much more accurate than they were before.